Hello kids, today we will learn bird's name in English. Let's start. Cuckoo, this is a cuckoo. Cock, this is a cock. Penguin, this is a penguin. Robin, this is a robin. Swan, this is a swan. Ostrich, this is a ostrich. Crow, this is a crow. Parrot, this is a parrot. Sparrow, this is a sparrow. Kingfisher, this is a kingfisher. Hen, this is a hen. Owl, this is a owl. Pigeon, this is a pigeon. Woodpecker, this is a woodpecker. Crane, this is a crane. Bat, this is a bat. Kite, this is a kite. Vulture, this is a vulture. Peacock, this is a peacock. Peahen, this is a peahen. Dove, this is a dove. Flamingo, this is a flamingo. Hawk cuckoo, this is a hawk cuckoo. Blue jay, this is a blue jay. Quail, this is a quail. Hoopoo bird, this is a hoopoo bird. Heron, this is a heron. Osprey, this is a osprey. अब हम सीखेंगे एनिमल्स नेम इन इंग्लिश। चलो शुरू करते हैं। Buffalo, this is a buffalo. Goat, this is a goat. Cow, this is a cow. Donkey, this is a donkey. Stag, this is a stag. Giraffe, this is a giraffe. Rhinoceros, this is a rhinoceros. Lion, this is a lion. Kangaroo, this is a kangaroo. Pig, this is a pig. chimpanzee. This is a chimpanzee. Dog. This is a dog. Tiger. This is a tiger. Yak. This is a yak. Zebra. This is a zebra. Cat. This is a cat. Ox. This is a ox. Fox. This is a fox. Leopard. This is a leopard. Black panther. This is a black panther. Camel. This is a camel. Bear. This is a bear. Elephant. This is a elephant. Monkey. This is a monkey.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।